You walk into a room, accidentally bump someone's chair, and instantly say, "Sorry." Someone talks over you mid-sentence, and you reply, "Oh, sorry, go ahead." You send an email and begin it with, "Sorry for the delay." You apologize for existing, for speaking, for taking up space, and you don't even notice it anymore. But guess what? They notice, and every "sorry" chips away at your presence, your power, your self-respect. So today we're done with that. You're not here to apologize for who you are. You're here to own your space, without saying sorry. Let's break it down. Here's the problem. You're not actually sorry. You're just trained to shrink. Apologizing has become your reflex, your default setting when there's even the slightest tension, and people pick up on it. They may not say anything, but subconsciously, they start seeing you as less certain, less confident, less decisive, even when you're right. So from now on, you stop apologizing for things that don't require it, and you replace it with something better. Step 1. Replace sorry with strength. Instead of saying, "Sorry, I'm late," say, "Thanks for your patience." Instead of, "Sorry for bothering you," say, "Do you have a moment?" Instead of, "Sorry, I didn't understand," say, "Could you clarify that for me?" It's not about being rude. It's about shifting from guilt to gratitude, from weakness to neutral confidence. You're not begging for permission to exist. You're owning the moment with calm, respectful power. Step 2. Catch the reflex. Kill it early. The reason you say "sorry" so much is because you don't even hear yourself doing it. It's automatic, but once you start catching it, mid-sentence, mid-thought, mid-text, you begin to change it. Start paying attention. Every time you're about to say it, ask, "Did I actually do something wrong?" If the answer is no, don't say it. Pause. Redirect. It's awkward at first. You'll hesitate. You'll stumble. But that's the sound of a new habit being born. Step 3. Own your space without apology. Here's the truth. People who are sure of themselves don't say "sorry" for small things. They don't rush to apologize just because the room went quiet after they spoke. They don't say "sorry" just because they took too long to answer a message. They speak. They move. They act without over-explaining. And that presence, it makes people listen. Because there's no guilt in their voice, no shrinking in their posture, no backpedaling in their words. You want that? Then stop acting like you're always one step away from offending the world. Step 4. Save your apology for when it matters. When you actually mess up, own it fully. A real apology is powerful, direct, no fluff, no over-explaining. "I was wrong. I take full responsibility. It won't happen again." That's it. Clean, clear, strong. And because you don't say "sorry" all the time, when you do, it means something. It hits different. People respect it. Because now they know you only say it when it counts. Final step. Redefine respect. Here's what they never taught you. Being polite does not mean being submissive. You can be kind and confident at the same time. You can be respectful and still own the room. You can show empathy without shrinking yourself. Stop confusing smallness with humility. Stop mistaking insecurity for kindness. You don't need to play small to be accepted. You don't need to say "sorry" to be liked. What you need is to start standing tall, to speak with intent, to act with self-respect. That's how people start treating you differently. That's how you command respect, without ever asking for it. So stop saying sorry for no reason. Start moving with presence. Speak with weight. Own your lane. And next time your instinct is to apologize, don't pause, stand tall, and choose power instead.